ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಶುಭೋದಯ. Hello everyone, greetings for the day and welcome to our Kannada learning journey. This is Divya and you are watching Trend Brain. If you're a new member to our Trend Brain family, click on the subscription button and don't forget to click on the bell notification so you will receive all our updates on time. I would like to appreciate all my students who have been religiously following my activities for more than 4 months now, and we have completed one particular work schedule for this and we are ready to get started with our reading series. Yes, you heard me right. We're going to start a reading series for our students to learn Kannada effectively and easily. So ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ಆಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ಬಹಳ ಸುಲಭ. ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪೇಪರು, ಒಂದು ಪೆನ್ನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಅ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಎನಫ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕುಡ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇಜಸ್ and revise and recite and recap whatever you have learned so far. So in this reading series, we're going to have dedicated lessons, strategic reading exercises, which is going to help you to remember the vocabulary at the same time to make sentences and read them fluently. So what are the prerequisites? So this is going to be helpful for students who have already learned the letters. Okay, so we have ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವರಗಳು, ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು, ಯೋಗವಾಹಗಳಿವೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So we learn the letters from a to l. This is the first step. So if you have not learned the letters, I would request all of you to look back into my previous videos and learn the letters from a to l. A ಇಂದ ಲ ತನಕ ಮುಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ I want you to quickly work on something, children, like fill in the blanks, what comes before, what comes after. Do this exercise. Now I've given a snapshot over here, so you can practice this for many number of times in your day one. Okay, so day one exercises, we're going to use the entire set of our Kannada Varnamale. First thing is like we're going to write from A to Aha. So this is our first set, right? Out of this from A to Aha, we're going to find out what are risva swara. Idರಲ್ಲಿ risva ಸ್ವರಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತ ಗುರ್ತು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So first exercise is we're going to find out what are the risva swaras. Risva swaras are the letters which has got the short vowel sounds. Okay, so ಅದನ್ನ ಗುರ್ತಿಸಿ ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ವೃತ್ತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. What do you mean by ವೃತ್ತ? ವೃತ್ತ is like marking a circle. So this is your first exercise for your day one. Second thing, find out the ದೀರ್ಘ ಸ್ವರ. ದೀರ್ಘ ಸ್ವರಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಡಿ. ದೀರ್ಘ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ, ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಷರವನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ದೀರ್ಘ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಲೈಕ್ ಆ, ಈ, ಊ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ದೀರ್ಘ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೀರ್ಘ ಸ್ವರಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಡಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ? ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ and if you're assisting your children, I would suggest you can copy down these and make your children do risva swaras, dirgha swaras. Let them identify. You could mark a circle, you could underline it, you can ask them to do a finger paint on those or write it below, up to you. Okay, so the children should be really confident enough in identifying the risva swaras and dirgha swara. The third exercise, children, find out sandhyakshara, the special letters like I. Okay, Ru, Au, these are all the special letters. Find out the Sandhyakshara. Okay, the fourth one, ಯೋಗವಾಹಗಳು. ಯೋಗವಾಹಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು? ಈ ಅಕ್ಷರದ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಗವಾಹಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು? ಅಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಹ, ಅದನ್ನ ಗುರುತಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅನುಸ್ವರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅಹವನ್ನ ನಾವು ವಿಸರ್ಗ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So this is your first exercise. When you are taking letters from A to Aha, you need to be really confident with finding out the risva swaras, ದೀರ್ಘ ಸ್ವರ, ಸಂಧ್ಯಾಕ್ಷರ, ಯೋಗವಾಹಗಳು. ಈ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್. Okay, so I will give you 10 minutes of time. You can pause my video over here. Do this exercise right from A to Aha. Find out the risva swara, circle them. Find out the dirgha swara, underline them. Find out the special letters, Sandhyakshara. You can mark anything in a different color pencil and find out the Yogavahas. So your first exercise, your time starts now. Welcome back, children. So, I'm so happy and glad that you could finish your first exercise with so much of ease, right? So, give yourself a good pat. You all did amazingly well. Okay, so in our day one, now we're going to the second exercise. That's our Vyanjana. Okay, ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳ ಕಡೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ವಿಧ, ವರ್ಗೀಯ ವ್ಯಂಜನ, ಅವರ್ಗೀಯ ವ್ಯಂಜನ. The first task is, these are our vyanjanas from K to L. So we need to find out what are vargiya vyanjana. Vargiya vyanjana means the letters that can be classified. Vargiya means classification. So the letters from K to M, we call them as vargiya vyanjana. Okay, now what are the avargiya vyanjanas? The vyanjanas which cannot be classified, they are called avargiya vyanjana. Okay, so what you need to do? So when I say, when Divya ma'am says tap on vargiya vyanjana, everybody taps on that. When Divya ma'am says tap on avargiya vyanjana, you can tap on the avargiya vyanjanas and the complete set. This is just a simple game. So before that, parents, please make sure you have the entire Kannada Varnamali chart which is ready with you, or you can write it down from A to L. Okay, so we finished the Swara section. Now we are going to the Vyanjana section. So what did we learn in our day one? The second part, learning about Vargiya Vyanjana, Avargiya Vyanjana. Now in Vargiya Vyanjana, we have 5 more classification. Okay, 5 more groups. They are further divided. They are further divided, children, into what? Kha Varga, Cha Varga, Tha Varga, Tha Varga and Pa Varga. Why do we classify them so? Because it depends upon the first letter, children. Take a look. It is all depending on the first letter of that row. Okay? Kha, kha, gha, gha, nya. So, ಮೊದಲನೇ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಯಾವುದು? Kha. That's why we call them as Kha Varga letters. The second line is Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. So it starts with the letter Ch, so we call it as the Cha Varga letters. So as with Ta Varga, Tha Varga, Pa Varga. Okay, so we did the classification. What you need to do? If your parent is telling you to identify and tell me what are the letters of Ka Varga, tak tak tak, you have to tell. Okay, so ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಪಟ ಪಟ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಆ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. So we did this. Easy, children? Now, take your notebook and start writing the letters from K to L. If you have any doubts of remembering the letters, always remember the padya. I will repeat it one more time. Kamalada huvu kareyaluntu kha kha gha ga nya. Chakkuli peda nanagu untu cha cha ja ja nya. Tagarige eradu kombu untu tha tha dha dha na. ತಕ್ಕಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯುಂಟು ಥ ಥ ಧ ಧ ನ. ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಳತಿಯುಂಟು ಫ ಫ ಭ ಭ ಮ. ಯಾರಿಗುಂಟು ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗುಂಟು ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಯ ರ ಲ ವ ಶ ಶ ಸ ಹ ಲ. Okay, so remember the padya. That's going to help you to work on sequencing your letters. Amazing, children. So I'm so very glad that you're all doing this lesson and following it up. Okay, so when you're having any confusion, go back, watch this video multiple number of times. It's going to be really easy for all of you. Okay, so we did this. So what's next? So this is our day one, children, and so far we have learned Swaragalu, Vyanjanagalu. Then we learn the other parts of it. What is a Risva Swara, what's a Dirgha Swara, what's Sandhyakshara, what are Yogavahas, Vargiya Vyanjana and Avargiya Vyanjana. So this is for your day one. I want everybody to be perfect in identifying the letter sound. What does it mean? Is it Risva Swara, Dirgha Swara, is it Alpa Prana, Maha Prana? So you have to remember all of that. Okay? Clear so far? So this is our day one. I will see you tomorrow. Okay, so you can write all these exercises. You can WhatsApp me. I will leave my WhatsApp number down or you can take a screenshot. You can post it directly on my Facebook account too. I'm going to be watching it. Okay, I want everybody to do this exercise to find out different things, and do share me in writing. Remember, I want to see everybody writing the letters. This is the first step, children. So whenever you want to do something, I want everybody to follow it. Only then it's going to be easy. Ready? Ready for this challenge? So this is a day 1. This is day 1 and we will continue this for 15 days. And you will see, you will be able to read and write the letters. Okay? So that's it for today, and I will see you tomorrow same time. Okay? And before we see that, I want everybody to submit your work end of the day today or early in the morning. Is that clear? Okay, so that's it for now, and thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful evening, all of you. Take care. Bye-bye.